Hey guys, I ran into FiVe because I was looking for the Peanuts collection and also other stuff. Back to school time is a good time to get your purse charms, different things that you won't find all year round. You can find back to school time. I did put myself on a budget because Five Below is no longer Five and Below, and why they won't change the name, nobody knows. But yeah, book bags. Here is the Peanuts collection. I wanted this bag, but I need another bag, like I need a hole in the head, honestly. I wanted the peanut shirt. I don't see the peanut shirt or the socks. I see the blanket, which I'm debating on, the hat. I already have the notebook, which I'm going to show y'all in this video or another video. There's the boxer shorts. But I'm mad I'm going to have to check another Five and Below because I want the peanut shirt, t-shirt that they advertise on their website. So I'm going to check another one. It looks like they have some other school supplies in it. So we're just going to kind of walk around and see what they have. The store is playing music. So if the video goes silent on certain parts, please know that YouTube is not playing, honey. They are taking stuff out. I heard they're also taking out if you don't use your actual voice for the voiceover. I heard that they're like taking that out. I don't know. Y'all let me know if y'all heard that. But so there will be some videos where you just won't get any sound. So I'm going over to the other t-shirts. I thought this was the peanut shirt, but it's not. So, oh, they have an Angelica shirt. I think I'm going to get the Angelica shirt. If I can't get the peanut shirt, I'm going to get the Angelica shirt. Yeah, because y'all know I'm nothing but a big kid. That's all I am. In the 90s cartoons, the 80s cartoons, the cartoons during my times was the best cartoons, honey. So if I can't find a peanut shirt, then I'll just get Angelica. She says she don't care, and neither do I, boo-boo. Let's go into the shopping cart. Let's take a little trip around the store. You guys, the planners are freaking awesome with these little pop-ups at the top. I did put some on my Instagram. I already grabbed the peanuts one, and I got my sister the strawberry shortcake one. But as you can see, there are Sonic, there's Shrek, and I like the little tabs they have at the top. I am looking for the Smurfs, and they got it so jam-packed in here, and it's not in any type of order. So things are falling while I'm trying to look. I'm looking for Smurfs. I did find the Komori Hello Kitty, but I didn't get it yet. I may go back and get it. Y'all gonna see it. Because to me, the Komori was more Hello Kitty than Komori. Yeah, so here's the Komori. They have My Little Pony. They have Mickey Mouse. And I think what's really getting me on the journals is the little tabs at the top, the little characters at the top. It is absolutely so cute. And then they had, what is this one? I'm going to show y'all. Is this, dog, is this The Night Before Christmas? No. What is this one, y'all? I like this one, and I think I'm going to come back for this one, too. The one that I just showed y'all. I'm finna lay them down and open it up. They have Ninja Turtles. As you can see, Rainbow. They didn't have Rainbow Bright. I wish they did because I was looking for her too. Oh, it's kind of out of frame. I'm sorry. This is the Komori one. I'm going to leave it. It's a little bit more Hello Kitty than Komori. And then what's this one, y'all? The Halloween one. I might come back for this one. I do like this one. I'm not going to get it today, but I may come back for it before they sell out of all this school stuff. But they are so cute. I was really debating on the Hello Kitty, as you can see there, but everything is absolutely so cute. So I'm going to walk around the store again because the Smurfs movie is there's Bluey. Smurfs movie is coming out today, Friday, and I'm looking for Smurf stuff, especially Smurfette. And I'm really surprised that a lot of people are not, like, even the kids meal. I've been to Burger King, Wendy's, McDonald's. Like, usually when there's a movie coming out and it's popular, they will have the products. So it's kind of confusing to me that they don't. Strawberry shortcake is popping. Bluey is popping. But I have not seen the Smurfs the way I want to see the Smurfs. Here's some other charms they have here that can be for bad charms. They even have Teletubbies. There's a strawberry shortcake charm. I'm going to come back and get some of those for my purse, for my purses. But yeah, right now I'm really looking for Smurfs. That's what I'm looking for right now. Mainly Smurfette. So, and I don't think I'm going to have. There's Rainbow Bright. I've got a couple of her. She's from I remember my first Rainbow Bright doll. I did not think my mother was going to get it for me for Christmas. And baby, it was under that tree, honey. I remember that like it was yesterday. Okay. So we're just going to walk around a little bit and see what they have. So over here at the back of the store, like I said, don't sleep on Five Below. It's not Five Below. I'm going to stop calling it that because that's not the name of it. We have Stitch, Bluey, Hello Kitty, Rainbow Bright. I might have to come back for that Rainbow Bright blanket. I'm going to have to come in here with cash on a budget and walk out. Pokemon. I thought that blue one was Smurfs, but it is not. Strawberry shortcake. Pillows and blankets, but no Smurfs. No Smurfs. So we're going to walk around the store a little bit more, and then we're going to get out of here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, this trip to the store. Of course, there'll be more. Let me know if y'all went somewhere and saw some Smurf stuff so I can go grab it.